E for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nurse. O for orange. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rat. S for swan. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Z for zebra. बाय गाइस, मेरे वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा. बाय.